Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and these are my favorite RV interiors of 2025. First up are Brinkley RVs. Both the Model Z fifth wheels and the Model G toy haulers have sleek, modern interior designs. Brinkley RVs have great kitchens with big islands, light gray cabinets, and black appliances. These RVs also have comfortable residential furniture and tons of smart storage solutions. Our favorite travel trailer interiors are in the Keystone Passport line. These RVs have two-tone cabinets with geometric hardware. My favorite thing about these trailers is the valance-free windows with simple black roller shades. The kitchens have marble-like counters and subway tile backsplashes, and there are grainy wood accents throughout that give these RVs a warm feel. Another great travel trailer option is the classic style of the Airstream Classic, which always has a chic exterior and interior design. Inside, the Airstream Classic has white cabinets accented by the company's famous aluminum shell. The kitchen has black marble-style countertops and gold hardware. The countertop material is also used for the dinette. The design isn't just aesthetic. There are many practical storage solutions, and the classic kitchen design also continues into the bathroom. Last but not least is the Tiffin Phaeton, a luxury Class A RV with great interior style. These RVs are available with a variety of interior packages so buyers can customize the look to their taste. I personally love the option for white cabinets and trim. The kitchen is enhanced with a subway tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. The buyer's cabinet selection continues into the bedroom and bathroom, and the beautiful bathrooms also feature tile backsplashes and huge walk-in showers. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more RV tours and tips.